Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to explain the simple way of creating an Instagram carousel, and I'll be creating an art carousel for you. The first thing is you have to click on create design and select custom dimension. I'm aiming to get 4 pictures in my carousel, so I'll be adjusting my dimensions to 4000 cross 1000 pixels. Now click on file option and select show rulers and show guides. Now drag the lines of guide and place it on 1000, 2000 and 3000 pixels mark as shown. And the next step you got to do is click on elements and search for line. Here I'll be selecting a multicolored curved line so that the image in the end looks good. And you can design it however you want and just play around. Now search for paint splash and click on any type of paint splash you want. You can also select it multiple times and place it in various places and adjust it however you want. And you can also give it any color or any number of colors if you want to. Now I'm selecting images of 2 kids and placing it here. You can adjust the position of image however you want. And as I said earlier, you can just play around with the elements until you are satisfied. Now let's add text to image. I'll be adding some quotations related to art as I am doing an art carousel. And you can choose any font, whichever you like. And once your design is done, this is how your final image looks like. And you can use panorama trimmer to trim the photo into 1:1 ratio so that it fits your Instagram feed. And this is how it looks on Instagram. So I hope you people enjoyed the video. And if you want more videos, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you.